This is the microphone test of Q30 after its 1.8 firmware update. I heard there has been a significant improvement on its microphone quality, and let's check it out. After this test, I'm gonna do the mic test on the Bose 700 and Sony 1000XM4. Bose 700. Its firmware version is 1.8.2. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The next testing subject is the Sony 1000XM4. I have finished my active noise cancelling headphones review on these two headphones, 1000XM4, QC35, and Bose 700. All right, this is the end of Bose 700. Sony 1000 XM4 microphone test. Firmware version 7.3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I have finished the video shooting for the active noise cancelling headphones performance comparison between the Bose 700, Bose QC35, and the Sony 1000XM4 I'm using right now. The judge is the Sony D10 recorder with two condenser microphones in stereo pair from Rode M5. I will spend a little bit more time editing that footage, and hopefully I can publish it soon. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we're here for a tour. We don't give tours. Okay. Quick look around. You have to get clearance for that. You can contact Rick Schaefer at the Department of Energy. Maybe you've seen it on TV. You gotta look at this missing rig recently. But it's not. Like I said, you have to speak to Mr. Schaefer. What's your name? Patrick. Patrick, I got a panicked mayor, and I got reporters breathing down my neck, and I got a very upset mother.
Voiceover is recorded using the built-in mic of Soundcore Q30 on an iPhone 11 in the voice memo app. In my opinion, this is the best way to demonstrate the audio quality of the microphone. And now let's listen to Bose QC35. I'll switch to that headphone. You are listening to the audio sample from the built-in mic of Bose QC35. What do you think? Did you hear the difference? In my opinion, the Bose QC35 has a far more superior microphone than the Q30. However, in normal situation and during a call, the other party won't notice such a big difference. This is the highest recording I can get from a voice memo app, and that's the only way I know how to test the microphone. So please like and subscribe. I spent hours of editing and designing these testing stands, and let me know what you think. Leave a comments below, and thank you very much. Yeah, this is definitely a lot louder than the Q30.